Hello students. In the previous class I explained you what are integers, how can we subtract and add integers of same sign or different sign, and I also explained you question number 1 and 2 of exercise 1A. Today we will continue the same exercise starting from the question number 3. Before starting question number 3, first I will tell you how can we put, what is the criteria to put plus or minus sign. See here in your books. We also come across integers in many real life scenarios. The height above sea level is represented by a positive integer and the depth below the sea level is represented by a negative integer. If any integer is given in the question above sea level, then it will be represented, it will be shown with the positive. Positive means plus sign. It will be shown with a plus sign, and if depth is given below sea level, then it will be shown with a negative integer. Negative means minus sign. For example, if you are traveling over a mountain, then you could be at plus 1734 meter above sea level. A fish underwater could be at minus 50 meter from sea level. Minus 50 meter means depth. The temperature, in the same way, the temperature below 0 degree Celsius is represented by a negative integer means with minus sign, and above 0 degree Celsius is represented by a positive integer. For example, the temperature at Shimla during nights in the winter season would be minus 5 degree Celsius means below 0 degree Celsius, and during the daytime might be 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius means plus 10 degrees Celsius. It means above 0 degrees Celsius. In the same way, rise in temperature is represented by a positive integer. Positive, we can write positive in short with plus sign and VE. Positive integer, and fall in temperature is represented by a negative integer. See here also I have written, if we are getting profit in any business, then we will show our profit with positive sign. If we are getting loss, then we will show it with negative sign. If we are depositing money in our account in the bank, then we will show deposited money with plus sign. But if we are withdrawing money from our account, then it will be shown with minus sign. If we are going upside, then it will be shown with positive sign. If we are going down, then it will be shown, it will be represented with minus sign. Increase in temperature or increase in anything will be shown with plus sign. Decrease in anything or in temperature will be shown with minus sign. Above 0 degree Celsius will be shown with plus sign. Below 0 degree Celsius will be shown with minus sign. Clear? Now come to third question. See here third question. Question number 3. Solve the following word problems. It was minus 4 degrees Celsius during the night. The temperature rose. Rose means increased by 9 degrees Celsius during the noon. What is the temperature now? Means temperature during the night was minus 4 degrees Celsius means below 0 degrees Celsius, and during the noon time it was increased. Rose means increased. Temperature was increased from minus 4 degrees Celsius to 9 degrees Celsius. Then what is the temperature now? We have to find the temperature at present. So how we will write it? How we will solve it? See here. This work is for 26 April 2021. Temperature during the night is minus 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature rose during the noon time by 9 degrees Celsius. So now the temperature will be, this is minus 4 degrees Celsius and this is rose, increase. So it will be plus 9 degrees Celsius. Minus 4 plus 9. Then we will simplify as we did in question number 1 and 2. So both these integers are with different sign. So we will subtract the smaller one from the greater one. 9 minus 4 will be 5. And what is the sign before the larger number? It is plus sign. So it will be plus 5 degrees Celsius. Means present temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Now next. Beside this, you can understand it like this also. Suppose all of you know number line. We are drawing a number line. All of you are familiar with number line. Divide this number line with equal distance like this. Suppose this temperature is minus 4, then this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 degree, then plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. Temperature during the night was minus 4 degrees Celsius. Then it rose by 9 degrees Celsius. 9 degrees Celsius temperature increase हो गया. For increase we will move right side and for decrease we will move left side. So if we count from here 9 numbers, minus 4 we will not count this minus 4, we will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 degrees Celsius temperature increased. Where we reached? We reached to plus 5. So temperature is plus 5 degrees Celsius. You can understand it like this also. If numbers are these numbers are smaller number, then we can understand on the number line. But if the given numbers are greater, as in next question, then we cannot do with number line. See B part. A submarine is at a depth of 453 feet below sea level. A submarine is at a depth of 453 feet below sea level. Submarine is below the sea level. It means this number will be shown with minus sign. It is minus 453 feet. It further descends. Descends means going down. Descend means going down. It further descends means it further goes down by 87 feet. Where is the submarine now? What is the present position of the submarine? First submarine in the starting, its initial position was minus 453 feet. Submarine is already at 453 feet. Then it again goes down by 87 feet. Then what is the present position of the submarine? See. Initial position of the submarine is 453 feet below sea level, means minus 453 feet. It further descends, goes down by 87 feet. Again it is going down, so this number will be also taken as minus 87 feet. Now new position of submarine. See, already submarine is here up to this position, and this distance is minus 453 feet. This point is minus 453 above the sea levels from here to here. From surface, sorry, not from above, it is surface, and below surface at minus 453 feet submarine is already present. Now it goes 87 feet more. It goes down 87 feet more. It is also minus 87. Then what will be its present position? Now we have to find its present position from here. It means we will add these two numbers. So the new position of submarine is equal minus 453 plus minus 87. First we will add these two integers within bracket. Then remove the bracket. Minus 453 will be written as it is, and minus 87 will be written as it is. There is no change in this sign because out of this bracket there is plus sign. So no change in this sign. Minus 453 will be written as it is. Minus 87 also will be written as it is. Now both the sign are same. What we do when we have both the signs same? We add their numerical value. Means we will add these two numbers and put the same sign. When we add these two numbers, we get 540 and we will put minus sign. Next question number part C. A scuba diver has set a record of reaching a depth of 320 meters in a sea. Again, I read. A scuba diver has set a record of reaching a depth of 320 meters in a sea. What is diver? Diver means गोताखोर, जो लोग समुद्र में नीचे गहराई तक जाते हैं. So scuba diver has set a record reaching a depth of 320 meters in a sea. Scuba diver का ऑलरेडी जो रिकॉर्ड है सी समुद्र में नीचे 320 मीटर तक जाने का है. इफ अनदर स्कूबा डाइवर हैज रीच 280 मीटर बिलो सी लेवल, अगर दूसरा स्कूबा डाइवर 280 मीटर तक पहुंच चुका है नीचे, हाउ मच मोर ही मस्ट डाइव टू ब्रेक द रिकॉर्ड, तो उसको और कितना नीचे गहराई में जाना होगा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने के लिए, जो कि रिकॉर्ड 320 मीटर का है. Again, see first let first scuba diver has a record to go up to 320 meter in sea, means this number will be shown minus 320. Now another scuba diver comes and he reached up to 280 meter. It is also minus 280 meter. Now how much more distance he have to cover, how much more depth he has to cover to break this record. So what we will do, we will subtract this number from this number, then only we get. See here, a scuba diver has set a record of reaching a depth 320 meter, means minus 320 meter. Another scuba diver reached up to 280 meter, means minus 280 meter. Another scuba diver must dive more to break the record. We will subtract. I told you already, you are, I think it will be clear. If we want to know this distance, then we have to subtract this number from this number. So how we will write? Minus 320 minus 280. Now this minus 320 will be written as it is. Out of this bracket, this is minus sign. So we will not write this minus sign. We will change this sign. It will become 280. Now these two numbers are with different sign. So what we will do? We will subtract this 280 from this 320. We get 40. And what is the sign of larger number? It is already minus. So we will write minus 40 feet. It means another scuba diver must dive 40 meter more to break the record. Next, D part. The credit card bill of a person is rupees 5,000. He repaid an amount of rupees 4,200 and again purchased an item worth rupees 1,500. What is the outstanding amount that the person will owe the credit card company? First line is the credit card bill of a person is 5,000. Student, I think all of you are familiar with credit card. Credit card means we have borrowed money from any bank, rupees 5,000. Means that person has borrowed 5,000 rupees from any bank. Credit means we have borrowed money. So that person already has taken 5,000 rupees. This is the borrowed money. So 5,000 will be shown with minus sign. Clear? He repaid an amount of 4,200. Out of this 5,000 rupees, he returned an amount of 4,200 rupees. He returned, वापस कर दी. Out of 5,000, he returned an amount of 4,200. And again purchased an item worth rupees 1,500. After returning this amount, he has borrowed 5,000 rupees and he returned 4,200. How much amount left? 5,000. It will be minus 5,000 because it is borrowed money and this is returned money. So it will be written with positive sign, plus sign. So minus 5,000 plus 4,200. And again purchase an item rupees 1,500. अब उसने फिर से दोबारा से इतने रुपए की परचेजिंग कर दी क्रेडिट कार्ड से. Then this is again borrowed money. So it will be also shown with minus sign. What is the outstanding amount that the person will owe the credit card company? Outstanding amount means what is the balance amount which the person have to return to the credit card company. So see here. The credit card bill is rupees 5,000. This is borrowed money. So we will show it with negative sign, minus 5,000. He repaid amount. Out of this 5,000, he repaid. इतना मनी उसने वापस कर दिया. So we will show it 4,200. If he is returning, it means he is depositing. So we will show this amount with plus sign. He again purchased for rupees 1,500, 1,500. If he is again purchasing, it means again he is borrowing money. So we will show it again with minus sign, minus 1,500. Therefore the outstanding amount will be this 5,000 minus 5,000, this plus 4,200. Then with plus sign we will take this minus 1,500. Now minus 5,000 plus 4,200. Out of this bracket there is plus sign. We will not write this plus sign, but this will be written as it is. This minus will be written as it is. No change. So minus 1,500. Now this 4,000, we have written this plus amount first. 4,200 minus 5,000 minus 1,500. Now 4,200 minus these two numbers are with minus sign. See here, these two numbers are with minus sign. So we will add these two numbers with minus sign. It will be 6,500. Now this is with plus sign and this is with minus sign. So we will subtract this 4,200 from this 6,500. 0, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, minus. We will write here rupees also. So what is the outstanding amount? Means what is the balance amount which he have to return? It is 2,300 rupees. Clear? I think up to here it should be clear. After this, after completing this, student, one more part, E part in this question. Cut this E part because there is some mistake in this question. Then you will confuse. So cut this part. Now after completing exercise 1A, we will start properties of addition and subtraction of integers. First is closure property, second is commutative property, third is associative property, then fourth is additive identity, fifth is additive inverse. Student, for this I have already prepared these notes. See, see these notes. So I will send its PDF after completing exercise 1A. You will write these notes in your notebook. In next class, I will explain these notes. Then we will start exercise 1B. Okay, students? Thank you and have a nice day.